According to Bill Barr, there may be very good evidence of potential Trump obstruction in the papers case. Even as he criticized a prosecutor's charge of Trump in a different inquiry last week, former Attorney General Bill Barr, once one of Donald Trump's most ardent supporters, warned the investigation of sensitive information could pose a serious threat to the former president. As federal investigators attempted to retrieve the records from Trump's Mar-a-Lago residence, Barr claimed that Trump engaged in games with them. Barr claimed on ABC's This Week that those games might constitute obstruction of justice. "I believe that case has a lot of promise. I believe they most likely have some solid proof there," said Barr. The special counsel for the Department of Justice is currently looking into how Trump handled secret materials housed at his Mar-a-Lago home, which Barr claimed Trump had no claim to. He had no right to those documents, particularly the top-secret ones. According to Barr, the government owned it. "I believe he was playing the government fast and loose." The government is looking into how many games were played and whether there was any resistance to giving them the documents. "They likely have some really strong evidence there, and I believe that's a significant potential case," Barr continued. Most recent developments in the papers investigation. According to the court, Donald Trump's attorney must provide documents in the Mar-a-Lago records investigation. Jim Trusty, who has defended Trump in the document case, asserted on ABC's This Week that he is positive the president no longer possesses any sensitive documents. Trusty stated, "We've given everything over to the FBI and DOJ at every stage if we identified anything of interest, even if it's probably not classified." On NBC's Meet the Press, Trusty also rejected the idea that Trump might be charged with obstruction, labeling it nonsense and claiming that the Justice Department is desperately trying to find an obstruction angle that just isn't there. AOC urges Biden administration. AOC thinks the Biden White House should disregard the ban on abortion pills. Is that possible? Barr denounced the indictment of the former president, despite the fact that the papers case may become risky for Trump. "I found what was released to be very ambiguous." Barr commented on the indictment and statement of facts filed by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg. "And I think if he has a good case, he would define exactly what his case is. But he's trying to conceal the ball," Barr remarked. On ABC's This Week, Trusty referred to the case as a ham sandwich of an indictment and advised the former president's legal team to focus on motions to dismiss the Manhattan case. Trusty stated, "I believe the motions to dismiss must be given first priority because they amputation this miscarriage of justice early on